Good morning, guys. Today on Customer States What? We got something happening here. We got something crackling and popping on the interior. Look at that. We got some dry ice working hard for us. So what we got going on here?
Well, we got another mold car, and we got to get rid of this sound deadening because it can hold the mold.
Yep.
Last time we used heat gun and scraper, and it took about 4 hours with 2 of us.
Okay.
So we're gonna try this method, see if it's faster, and maybe we'll have less burns afterwards. Because I had like 3 blisters from burning.
Well, hey, you could still get burnt by
True.
that, but on the opposite end of the spectrum. Wow. So it was a mold, and are you gonna do back here too, or?
Yep.
Okay. Good.
Yep.
Good.
That was the easiest part to scrape with a heat gun. So
Yeah.
if I have to, I'll do it that way. But this is all we got for dry ice. So.
Now, what was the original cause of this?
The third brake light sealer let go, so
Okay.
water came in and car filled with mold over time.
And the customer just kept on going and let it go
going.
for a while
Yep.
until we found the issue and let them be aware of it. And this is what's involved here. It's a lengthy process, but it was really trial and error. As you heard him before, they used to use a heat gun, and it took a long time to get this sound deadening up.
Starting to crack.
But now, oh, very good. Starting to crack?
Yep, see?
Yep. Alright, so what we're doing is we're actually freezing the sound deadening material way below the freezing temp. I think this is like -37, I think, as we measured it earlier. So, yeah. We'll see how it goes, and there is a heavy odor of mold in here, but it's not nearly as bad as it was with the interior.
Yep.
So, yeah. Very good.
New headliner, new carpets coming.
Oh, it's getting all new interior?
Yeah, except for the seats because they don't have mold on them.
Alright, so they'll probably ozone them or something.
Yeah, once we get this up, they ozone it.
Alright,
they
good,
clean
good.
it and then they ozone it.
Very good. See how it's just breaking up, guys?
Look at that. It's so much better than scraping it with a heat gun, sitting there going, holding the heat.
I honestly wish I knew about this like 12 years ago.
Saw it on the dealership tech page as well as YouTube.
Yeah, well, that was like way before the dealer tech page. I was the first one to do one here years ago, and I used the air chip. Yeah, look at that chunk. Look at that big flavor chip.
Ow!
That is beautiful.
Oh, ready?
Oh. Easy, easy. Don't dent the floor.
You don't want to smash the floor too much. Just you get a ball peen, yeah.
That's pretty good. Just give it a corner. Yes. Same thing over there. Yeah, don't put your hand on it, man. It's freezer burn. See where my hand is? He has gloves on. Pounding away. Good job, guys. Good job. Oh yeah, and that piece is probably going to be nice right there. Let's see it. Yep.
Oh, butter.
I wish I knew about this years ago, man. I really do. This is so unfair. It really is, man. I struggled so much.
I'm gonna put it.
Dude, I can't believe how well this stuff is actually working, man. I'm amazed. I've only heard about this.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. That side's cracking up. Yep. Very good, guys. Very good. Alright, so, yeah, man, that's what we do here to get the sound deadening material up.
Hey, you want to grab the trash and pull it over? So
I honestly, you heard me. I wish I knew about that 10, 12 years ago, man. Oof. So now most of that's getting replaced. Most of it. And, yeah, the guy's going to be hard at work. Very good. If you don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content. Alright, guys. Here's the finished product. They still probably got to wipe down with some disinfectant wipes, but sound deadening material is gone. Oh, you forgot a piece. Good. Very good. And that's the end result. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba.